Alright, let's talk about that guy at the range. You know, the one rifle costs as much as a used pickup, flashy roll mark screaming premium, but when he pulls the trigger, his groups look like someone fired buckshot at 50 yards. Don't be that guy. Too many shooters get tunnel vision chasing the same 3 legacy manufacturers. Sure, they make solid rifles, but if that's all you're looking at, you're missing some seriously capable platforms that deliver laser-tight accuracy without torching your bank account. Today, we're breaking down 5 absolute sleeper rifles that don't get the hype they deserve. We're digging into the actions, the triggers, the barrels, and the real-world consistency that actually matters when rounds start flying. The rifle taking our number 1 spot is going to ruffle feathers because it flat-out outshoots guns that cost twice as much. If you're ready to stop missing and start stacking rounds through the same hole, hit that subscribe button. We've got a lot of polymer and steel to cover. Let's get to work. Number 5. Mossberg. Number 5, the Mossberg Patriot is a no-nonsense bolt-action rifle built for shooters who want dependable accuracy without paying for a flashy name. Its lightweight, fluted barrel is designed to maintain balance while delivering consistent shot placement, making it comfortable to carry and steady on target. The push-feed bolt action cycles smoothly and locks up solidly, giving the rifle a reliable feel shot after shot, while the adjustable trigger allows shooters to fine-tune the pull for cleaner breaks and better control. A detachable box magazine keeps reloads quick and practical, and the classic sporter-style stock offers a comfortable, natural shooting position whether you're on the bench or in the field. Overall, the Mossberg Patriot stands out as a practical, budget-friendly rifle that focuses on accuracy, reliability, and real-world performance rather than unnecessary extras. Number 4, the Sauer 100 Classic XT is a rifle that blends traditional craftsmanship with modern performance, delivering a shooting experience that feels both refined and reliable. Its elegant wooden stock not only offers timeless aesthetics but also provides a comfortable, ergonomic hold that naturally aligns with the shooter's cheek and shoulder. The smooth, controlled feed action ensures reliable chambering and extraction, while the crisp, adjustable trigger lets you dial in a clean break that instills confidence with every pull. Fitted with a precision barrel, the Classic XT offers impressive shot-to-shot consistency, helping you stay on target whether you're pursuing game in the field or hunting your skills at the range. Balanced, dependable, and built with the kind of attention to detail that enthusiasts appreciate, the Sauer 100 Classic XT proves that a well-executed traditional rifle can outperform expectations without unnecessarily complicating the experience. Number 3, the CZ600 Alpha is a rifle that stands out by delivering precision and versatility right out of the box, appealing to shooters who want performance without compromise. Its sleek, modern design is paired with a smooth-running, controlled feed action that inspires confidence with every cycle, while the adjustable trigger allows you to tailor the pull weight to your preference for a cleaner, more predictable break. The barrel is engineered for consistency, helping the rifle maintain tight groups across a variety of conditions, and the well-balanced stock enhances handling whether you're tracking targets in the field or dialing in zeros at the range. Built with quality materials and thoughtful engineering, the CZ600 Alpha demonstrates that a well-rounded rifle can excel in both hunting and precision shooting, giving shooters a platform that is both capable and enjoyable to shoot. Number 2, the HOA 1500 Hogue combines rugged reliability with refined features that make it a standout choice for shooters who value performance and comfort. Built on HOA's proven 1500 action, it offers incredibly smooth cycling and solid lockup, giving you confidence in every shot. The Hogue stock enhances the experience with its ergonomic design and soft touch finish, providing a secure, comfortable grip that helps reduce felt recoil and keeps you on target longer. Its precision barrel delivers consistent accuracy, while the crisp, user-adjustable trigger lets you customize the pull to match your shooting style for cleaner breaks and improved control. Practical and well-balanced, the HOA 1500 Hogue proves that thoughtful engineering and quality components can elevate a rifle's performance without unnecessary frills, making it a dependable companion whether you're honing your skills at the range or headed into the field. Number 1, the Bergara B14 Ridge is a rifle that has earned its reputation by combining precision engineering with approachable performance, making it a favorite among shooters who want serious accuracy without an intimidating price tag. At its heart is Bergara's renowned barrel, known for its excellent manufacturing consistency and inherent accuracy, giving the ridge the ability to hold tight groups whether you're stretching out at long distances or settling into a comfortable mid-range sight picture. The smooth bolt action cycles reliably, and the crisp, user-adjustable trigger lets you tailor the pull weight to your preference for a smoother, more confident shot. Housed in a rugged, ergonomic stock that balances well and feels natural to shoot, the B14 Ridge delivers a blend of value and performance that stands out in its class, proving that thoughtful design and quality components directly translate into real-world capability.